Good morning everyone. My name is Swarali Pawar. I am currently studying at Dhole Patil College of Physiotherapy in second year. Today I am going to share some information on walking aids in the simplest way possible. So what are walking aids? Walking aids are the devices which are used to people who cannot walk independently or have difficulty in walking. So there are types of walking aids. There are auxiliary crutches, elbow crutches, canes and frames. Auxiliary crutches. The parts of the auxiliary crutches are the auxiliary pad, the hand grip and the rubber ferrule. The height of the rubber ferrule and hand grip can be adjusted, and the auxiliary pad should lie 5 centimeter below the apex of axilla. This is an elbow crutch. The parts of the elbow crutch are the arm cuff, the hand piece and the rubber ferrule. So the height of the rubber ferrule and hand piece can be adjusted with these knobs according to the patient's convenience. These are known as frames. These are the lightest and most commonest types of walking aids used. It is good for people who have balance problems, as the forefeet are helped to give the support. Patient can usually lean on it, take forward, lean on it and then put their feet forward. So I am going to demonstrate 2-point gait with the help of auxiliary crutches. In 2-point gait we usually keep one part of the crutch and opposite leg forward. So my right crutch and left foot goes forward, along with my right leg and left crutch goes forward. Next one is 4-point gait. So in 4-point gait we usually put one crutch forward along with opposite leg. After that is followed by another crutch forward and the opposite leg forward. So my right crutch goes forward followed by left leg. My left crutch goes forward with right leg. Next one is 3-point gait. So in 3-point there are two types, partial weight bearing and non-weight bearing. First I am going to demonstrate partial weight bearing. In partial weight bearing we take both the crutches forward with the affected leg. So if my left leg is affected, I am going to take both the crutches and my left leg forward, press the weight via the hand grip and take my non-affected leg forward. Next one is non-weight bearing. So if my left leg is affected, so I am going to just take both the crutches forward and I am going to put all my weight on the hand grip and take my non-affected leg forward.